Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use one-handed mode on your Poco phone. First I'm gonna show you how it works, then I'm gonna show you how to enable it. So it works basically that you can use your phone with just a thumb, and then to access the top items on the screen, then just slide this bottom bar down and it will let you access everything from the top easily. And to use it, go to settings, then go to additional settings, one-handed mode, make sure it's enabled, and it should work. Oh my god, just like that. Yeah, and you can click here to exit. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.